Hey Jake, Isla, Gemma, and Samantha. I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. It is angle review day. I'm so excited. So let's practice with our angle exercises. So we have a right angle. Everyone stand up and do these with me. We have a straight angle, an acute angle, and an obtuse angle. Let's do that again. A right angle that measures 90 degrees, an acute angle that measures less than 90 degrees, and a straight angle that measures 180 degrees, and an obtuse angle that measures more than 90 degrees. Keep all those things in mind today when you complete your Google Doc, because it's all about review. So what you're going to be doing today during review is I'm going to give you an angle. You're going to tell me, is it acute, right, or obtuse? You're going to write down acute angle, not just acute, but acute angle. And then you're going to tell me, what does it measure? Well, remember, acute, they're little, so we're going to say less than 90 degrees. Acute angle, less than 90 degrees. So that's part of your review today, and I'll give another example. Okay, so we know that's a what? Yes, an obtuse angle. So we'll write down obtuse angle. And what does that measure? You guys know it. What is it? More than 90 degrees. Okay, I put the degree symbol in for right now. So more than 90 degrees. All right, then there's going to be some reading of the protractor. So let's practice that. Again, when you have an obtuse angle, you need to read the bigger numbers on the protractor. When you're measuring an acute angle, you read the smaller numbers on the protractor. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so here I have an obtuse angle, so I know I'm going to be looking at the bigger numbers on the protractor. So again, I'm going to line up my vertex with my protractor, with the green dot on my protractor. Let me just extend the line a little bit. Okay. And you can see that it's pointing to the 140. So this obtuse angle, measures 140 degrees. So make sure you read those protractors carefully, because some of you are getting the numbers mixed up where it's an obtuse angle and you're giving me the smaller number. If it's an obtuse angle, I need the bigger number. Okay, so here we have another one. We have an acute angle. So again, we need the smaller numbers. Things that are acute, we want the small numbers. I'm going to line up the vertex with my green point. And we are pointing to the 50. So this acute angle measures 50 degrees. So again, you would label it as acute angle, 50 degrees, or you would write out the word degrees. Just like that. So you're going to complete that review sheet in your Google Doc, and then we'll do some practicing when we meet. Make sure you do your game on www.iknowit.com. It has to do with angles. All right, like I said, there are 12 problems. I do grade these. It grades it for you, so make sure you're doing your work carefully. I know sometimes you may submit an answer by mistake, but try to work slowly. Don't rush. You also have a little art project to do today. Yes, it's art day. I said to pick either your favorite angle. I might have said acute or obtuse, and draw a picture. Make it into a picture. But I want a nice big picture. So take up a whole sheet of paper, a whole sheet. Do it big and neat. And yes, you need to color it in. If you don't do it right the first time, I'm going to tell you to do it again. So I can give you a quick example. Maybe, all right, and you can't use this, but I'm going to do my Pac-Man picture. So I'm going to do a nice big Pac-Man, right? Because there is my angle picture of Pac-Man, right? I notice how it's nice and big. I didn't color in, but I'm the teacher. I'm telling you, you guys need to color it in. And then tell me what kind of angle you used, okay? So I use an obtuse angle, all right? So obtuse. This is an obtuse Pac-Man. All right, guys, I think that is it. I hope you are having a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you when we meet. Bye, guys.